Welcome to a new episode. This is the Pasta Queen channel. We are challenging ourselves.
Yeah, a recipe under $10.
But not just any recipe. We're doing a gourmet pasta recipe and we have to make it under $10. The first thing I'm thinking is pasta e patate. Potato pasta. Ingredients: $2.60 for 3 large Yukon Gold potatoes. Okay, so we've got 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and the exact calculation based on the price of the bottle is 50 cents. And we're now at $3.10, right?
Yeah.
0.4 pounds.
$1 a pound.
We're in luck. So
That's
this is
4 cents.
basically 45 cents. Now we've got the base. You know what we need here?
Pasta.
No. Do we have like some pancetta, guanciale, like a little piece?
That's gonna be expensive.
But hold on. I just want a little piece to give it a little bit of flavor, you know?
Taste. I'm gonna cut off a little piece.
Now hold on. How much do we pay per pound of guanciale? It's getting hot in here. 4 ounces is $9. So let me measure a little piece and I'll tell you how much I want to use. Okay, so I don't think we need all 3. It's gonna be too expensive. I want to really just put 2 slices of guanciale. Ooh, 1.9 ounces. Let's see if we can add all 3 pieces.
It's $5.
No. Okay,
Yeah.
1.3 is still too expensive. I'm gonna get like 1 little piece. 0.5 ounces. $1.70 of guanciale added. We're at $5.10. We're gonna have some pasta to cook with this. So $2.99 per pack. 0.7 pounds, okay?
$1.8.
Okay, where are we at now? So $6.90. 2 provolone slices, really. I would like to
Okay.
use more. The cinnamon, of course. Okay, so let's look at the cinnamon sticks. So what's 1 cinnamon stick? To elevate that flavor, to make it really gourmet.
20 cents.
Oh, it's gonna make the potatoes and the guanciale. Guys, I think we might be able to add a slice
Wow.
of guanciale.
Bam.
How much was it for that one?
We can add another one for another $1.70.
So we're gonna add 1 more slice of guanciale. Can you go get it?
Yeah.
For $1.70. We are $9.80. Beautiful. $1.70 added of guanciale. Now a pinch of salt. Let's say we're adding a little bit more than 2 tablespoons, so we're adding 5 cents. So we are now at $9.85.
Yeah. 0.15 cents for my labor. And there you have it.
Perfect. I cannot believe that we can actually make a gourmet potato and cinnamon pasta for under $10, okay? We dice an onion. The small one, remember? So qua
Dum dum.
I'm getting so emotional about this recipe. We're just dicing them really nice and fine. We peel the potatoes before chopping them into nice even cubes. All right, now let's slice the guanciale. Guys, I just realized
I know already.
that if we're using guanciale bacon, it releases the fat. We might be able to exclude the extra virgin olive oil, but let's find out in just a few minutes. Let's start by sizzling the guanciale in a pan. Oh my goodness, we just saved 2 whole tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil.
50 cents.
Good. The onion goes in. Oh my goodness. Mamma mia. Now the potatoes go in. Yes. Beautiful. We add a little bit of hot boiling water, no stock, no nothing. This is all the flavor you need. I want you to add a whole ladle full and more of water. You're gonna get those potatoes softened, they're cooking. We add the cinnamon stick. You wanna keep it there for like 10 minutes, you know. That cinnamon stick is gonna release a whole lot of flavor. We're gonna keep it there for 10 minutes just to release the aroma. You know what I love about using guanciale? That you have also the black pepper on it. It's usually spiced. So that's all being released into this recipe. And black pepper with this and the potatoes, it's perfection.
Just like you are.
Guanciale is already salted, so start slowly, adding a little bit of salt. I am smelling so much amazing cinnamon aroma. It's been 10 minutes, we're taking it out, we're setting it aside. We're gonna grab about 1/3 of the potatoes and we're gonna blend them and put them back in. The smell of the cinnamon is so incredible. I'm really actually very interested to see how it
I want to
comes out.
see how it tastes. The brother test is going to be epic.
Okay, we added a splash of water in the potatoes, the hot boiling water. Just a splash to blend them. And then we return that cream to the pot. And now the cream goes all the way back. Beautiful. And now the pasta in. Then we're gonna add a little bit of boiling water as it cooks. You'll see as it starts kind of drying out, you'll see it needs a little bit of water. See, we just use plain hot water. You see, this is a game of observation. Keep adding hot boiling water. Taste the pasta. You can see it starts to soften up. We're 2 minutes away. A little more hot boiling water.
Perfection.
We added a little bit of salt. Ago felt it needed a little bit more and it's done. It's extra al dente. I switch off the flame right now. Take the provolone slices and we just shred them in by hand.
Perfect. This is going to be so good.
Like that. Okay, you see now you're mixing in the provolone and look at this. You literally have that melt. That provolone kind of adds that melt. It adds to the creaminess, the starches, the fat that was drained from the guanciale. I mean, look at this thing. Oh my goodness. You see that melt? Oh. Mamma mia. Now, the plating. And we save some guanciale. Oh, we added on the top. And a scrunch of pepper. Now, how much is this gonna cost us, Ago?
0.2 cents.
0.2 cents. So we are at
$9.87.
$9.87 for this gourmet dish. I have no words. I mean, this is just gorgeous. Just like you are. Now, the brother test.
Yep.
I'm very, very curious. I want to know about the cannella, the cinnamon, the guanciale, the provolone melted, the potatoes.
Now this is literally...
This could be a perfect gourmet recipe. And we made it in $9.87. Comment down below if you can make this recipe or if you know of another recipe that you can make that's gourmet under $10. Oh, make it and show us. Send me a video on Instagram and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe in case you haven't done it and ring the notification bell to know the moment a video comes out. And remember, you are amazing. And so are
we.
Bye.